Hi, welcome to Clean Beauty with Alli Marie. If you have been on the hunt for a cleaner, safer alternative to soda, I have found you a winner. This is called OLIPOP. Today I will be sharing what makes this beverage unique, and I will also be sharing my favorite flavors with you as well to help make it easy to know where to start. I hope that you find this video helpful. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am Alli. I am a mom to two precious girls, and I strive to make it easy to find clean swaps that you truly love. If you wouldn't mind subscribing before you go, it would mean a lot. Thank you. Okay, let's chat about OLIPOP. I have been on the hunt for a clean alternative, especially whenever I'm just thirsty and I want something refreshing that also tastes really good. And I have found it in OLIPOP. So what makes OLIPOP unique is that these sodas have a high fiber content in them, which is really amazing. And they also have a low sugar content. So high in fiber, low in sugar, and they also have prebiotics in each can as well. They are non-GMO. They are plant-powered, microbiome approved, and the best part is that they taste like regular soda. So exciting to have found a more functional beverage than a typical soda that still tastes really great. So if you've got a little bit of a sweet tooth or you're craving a soda, this is a fabulous, fabulous choice. So I have had the opportunity to try 7 different flavors so far. So I'm going to go through and share my feedback on the different flavors and share which ones are my favorite. So I'm going to start with my favorite, the grape soda. It's called Classic Grape. And let me tell you that this one literally tasted just like classic grape soda to me. Super sweet and refreshing, and this one only has 4 grams of sugar and it has 9 grams of fiber. So highly recommend the Classic Grape. My next favorite was this one. It is called Peaches and Cream. It definitely tasted like peaches and cream to me. This one had 5 grams of sugar and 9 grams of fiber. Definitely tasted like the description. I had this one out by the pool and it was super refreshing. My next favorite was probably the strawberry vanilla. Obviously, I was kind of leaning towards these fruity flavors with the grape and the peaches and cream, and now the strawberry vanilla. I think any of the fruit ones were just super, super tasty for me. Strawberry vanilla, again, it tasted a lot like the description, super sweet, and this one had 3 grams of sugar and 9 grams of fiber. So I also loved the cherry vanilla. So I know that that is yet again another fruit flavor here and very similar to the strawberry vanilla. I think that I favored the strawberry vanilla just a little bit more. I think I like just the flavor of strawberry more than cherry, just a preference. But again, they both tasted basically like what they said they were going to taste like. So the cherry vanilla had 5 grams of sugar and 9 grams of fiber. Okay, my next favorite was the cherry cola. Again, it has another fruit in it. And this one actually has 50 milligrams of natural caffeine from green tea. So if you are needing a little tiny bit of that caffeine boost, maybe mid-afternoon or something like that, the cherry cola is the way to go there. And it has 5 grams of sugar and 9 grams of fiber. Definitely tastes very similar to your regular cherry cola that you might have tried before. So definitely like the cherry cola. My next favorite flavor, the cream soda. I wanted to like this one a little bit more. It didn't taste quite as what I was used to when it comes to cream soda. Still really, really tasty though. And this one had only 2 grams of sugar and 9 grams of fiber. But it definitely was good. It was not towards the top of my list though. Okay, my least favorite flavor, although it is still delicious, and I love all of these. I'm just ranking them just to kind of help you to see what's out there. My least favorite was the root beer, and I'm not really sure why. it almost tasted a little sour to me, but I know that root beer does kind of have that flavoring to it. So maybe it was what I was eating while I was drinking the root beer. All that to say, it has 2 grams of sugar and 9 grams of fiber. Still delicious, just was the bottom of my list out of all of the ones that I've tried. And now that I'm looking at it, it looks like my bottom two were the ones that had the least amount of sugar in them. So maybe that's what it all boils down to. I prefer the ones with a little bit more of that hint of sweetness. So anyways, that was my flavor rankings. Grape soda was my absolute favorite. Classic root beer was my least favorite. All 7 of them though, I absolutely loved. Just a preference thing for these 2. If you would like to give OLIPOP a try, you can find OLIPOP in a lot of different retail locations. I believe that there is a store locator on the OLIPOP website where you can find a store that has these in stock near you, or you can shop directly from the OLIPOP website. If you choose to do that, I do have a promo code that you can use on your entire first order. I will put that in the description, and I am here if you've got any questions at all. I would be so happy to help, and I hope that you found this video helpful.